Alright folks, welcome back to the Ring57 YouTube channel. You may notice something missing here. The Suburban's done. The Avalanche is done. And the Avalanche is back together. So, I have my truck back. Thank God. It runs better than it's ever run. Ran like hell for a minute. Ran some tranny fluid through the oil. It's starting to sound better. I'll change the oil at the end of the weekend. And it should be good to go. And I gotta double check all the fluids and such. But I just got back from Motorheads. I was out there helping him put a turbo kit on a bike. So, where are we at right now? Let's see. The shop is a freaking disaster area. So I'm going to start over here and start cleaning up. Once I get it all cleaned up, I got to go through, get these grease patches off the floor that won't mop up nice. And I can start moving the bikes back over. So let's run through them. Warren's. Me and Motorhead will be jumping on that now that he didn't want to be over here while I was trying to struggle with that. Because I get frustrated. So he's going to come over. We're going to button that up. This one's running great. I just got to put body work on it and get it tuned. That one, I'm going to switch over to a 32-bit ECU and tune, and it's ready to go home. This one, now that I have the truck back, I can go get the tire mounted and get it off these temporary wheels. That one, I got to figure out what's up with the starter drive and fix the misfire that is random. I'm going to guess it's crud in the fuel system plugging an injector, because if you shut it off for a while and restart it, it doesn't miss anymore. Acts like it's backing off whatever gets stuck in the screen of the filter screen of the injector. So I'm going to clean the fuel system, see if that helps. That one, I got to put the Pod 300 and the auto-tune module from that bike on there. Rob's supposed to be buying that from Warren. That one, spark plug should be here. It says Monday. It won't be Monday. It'll be Tuesday or Wednesday because Monday's a holiday. That one, I think he provided a bad head. I'm 90% confident. The good news is there's another head right there. I'm going to pull those valve springs out of that, put them in that, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Then that one will be done. Then we're going to jump onto that one. Booster Killer, the Hyper Booster Killer, kill shot. We were waiting for things to come back. The head is back. We're waiting on a set of cams, and the cases. The block, I believe, is back. So, progress will be coming on that eventually here shortly. Will it make Florida? No, it's not going to make Florida. It's just nature of the beast. Things took longer than expected to come back. We don't do in-house machine work. So, I'm going to start out by getting that side of the shop cleared out so I can get shit over there. That one needs valve springs and fuel system. That one's going to be one of the next on the plate after that fun. So, we're rocking and rolling. The truck that had formerly 5 psi of oil pressure now idles at 30 and holds 60 on the interstate. So, that's awesome. Shift smooth as silk. I really need to do a transmission relearn on it. So, probably going to holler at frickin' Alan and go pay him to do a transmission relearn for me. I have to grab that AEM pump and take it to the dentist tomorrow. Anyway, now that all this is squared up, all the t-shirts that have been boxed up here that I couldn't get to the UPS store, I'm going to haul to the UPS store tomorrow. So, those will all get shipped out. And we should be ready to rock and roll. That should be all we got going on. I've currently got a toaster oven going because I had food delivered to the shop because I couldn't pick up food. So I'm going to make myself a roll and ham sandwich. Pretzel roll, ham, pepper jack, a little mayo. Pretty good snack. But yeah, that's where we're at. That's what we got going on. Welcome back to the shop updates. Watch the progress. This shit going to take off like a madman.